What is lumbar lordosis and its correction exercises? Suffering from pain caused by lumbar lordosis? Here's what you can do to correct it. In today's video, we have covered everything you need to know about lumbar lordosis and corrective exercises. Watch till the end of the video and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. We post new videos every week. What is lumbar lordosis? Also known as hyperlordosis, it occurs when the lower back has an excessive curve or a sway back. Lumbar lordosis in most cases is occupied with severe lower back pain and discomfort. Lumbar lordosis can occur in people of all ages, however it is most common in young children and those who sit for extended periods. Lumbar lordosis is accompanied by a host of symptoms including nerve problems, lower back pain, and if left untreated can cause serious conditions such as spondylolisthesis. Lumbar lordosis is typically caused by poor pelvis position as a result of poor posture. When a person sits and the pelvis tilts too forward, it can affect the curvature of the lower back. This can cause the person to look like their buttocks are sticking out. It should be noted that a small amount of lordosis is normal and unproblematic, but an excessive curve can cause a lot of problems. Lordosis generally occurs due to an imbalance in the muscles surrounding the pelvic bones. Weak muscles such as hip flexors that are used to lift the leg forward combined with tight muscles such as back extensors used to arch the back can cause an elevated pelvic lift. This limits the movement of the lower back, thus causing lumbar lordosis. However, there isn't much to worry about as lumbar lordosis can be corrected by strengthening the glutes, abdominal muscles and hamstrings. Exercises can improve lordosis by pulling the pelvis back into proper alignment. This can also decrease pain and increase agility. 4 exercises to correct lumbar lordosis. Number 1. Abdominal drawing in maneuver. The abdominal drawing in maneuver is an easy to practice exercise that is recommended for activating and strengthening the muscles surrounding the spine. This helps to stabilize the spine and pelvic floor. How to do it? Lie down comfortably on your back, keeping your knees bent and your feet flat on the ground. Now try to tilt your pelvis forward and backward before you settle into a central position. Take a deep breath and draw your abdominal muscles to your spine. Your abdominal area should feel like it is hollowing. Number 2. Dead bugs. Dead bugs is a dynamic core exercise that will help you maintain a stable spine and ease lumbar lordosis pain. How to do it? Lie flat on your back as you keep your arms and legs pointing straight away from your body. Now take a deep breath in and as you exhale, pull your belly button to your spine. Lower your left arm and right leg at the same time until they hover a few inches off the ground. Now return to the starting position and repeat on the opposite side. Number 3. Sitting pelvic tilts on an exercise ball. Sitting pelvic tilts on an exercise ball is a popular exercise used to correct lumbar lordosis. This helps in bringing awareness to the position of the pelvis and strengthens and stretches the back extensor and abdominal muscles. How to do it? Sit on an exercise ball keeping your feet wider than hip width apart. Your spine neutral and relaxed and shoulders back. You should use an exercise ball that allows your knees to stay at a 90-degree angle when you are sitting with your flat feet on the ground. Now try to tilt your hips and round your lower back. It should feel as if you are bringing your pubic bone to your belly button. Hold this for 3 seconds. Now tilt your hips in the opposite direction and arc your back. It should feel as if you are sticking your tailbone out. Hold this for 3 seconds. Number 4. Hamstring curl. Hamstrings are a muscle group that runs down the back of your thigh. As you strengthen your hamstrings, they become flexible and can support natural pelvic alignment. This will help in correcting lumbar lordosis. For this exercise, you will need a resistance band. How to do it? Tie a resistance band into a loop around a sturdy object like a pole. Now lie flat on your stomach with your feet 2 feet away from the object. Now loop the band around your ankle and bend your knee as you pull your ankle towards your buttocks away from the pole. You should isolate this movement from the working leg, keeping everything else as still as possible. You should be able to feel the stretch down the back of your thigh. Repeat this 10 times and reverse the side. These were 4 effective exercises that can help you correct lumbar lordosis. However, keep in mind that these exercises should ease lumbar pain but not cause it. Thus, if you feel any discomfort, take a break and take it slow. If the pain eases, you can continue with the exercise, but if the pain persists or increases, you should talk to a doctor. And if you found this video helpful, like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. That's all from us today. We want you to know that your voice is important to us. So please leave a comment below. If you are new here, then click the bell icon for notifications of our new videos and subscribe to our channel.